Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY with Rachel's Reramps. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mirrored window chime. What I used for this project were small 1/4-inch mirrors, and I also used 1/2-inch mirrors, both square and round. Next you're going to need some hooks, and of course some bling wrap, and I also use tiled mirrors like disco ball mirrors that have adhesive on the backing, and fishing line, and my trusty old wonderful beautiful lovely glue gun. So I found a piece of wood in my garage to screw the hooks on, and I spaced the hooks about 3 inches apart. Next, I covered the wood with mirrored adhesive and bling wrap. You can use any size piece of wood for this project, and you can space out your hooks any way you like. This is just the way I decided to do it. After I got the bling wrap all put on, the next thing I did was I took my fishing line and I tied the fishing line through the hooks. I double tied knots in the hooks, and I measured out how long I wanted my chime curtain to be. Once I figured out how long I wanted my fishing line, I started gluing on my mirrors, and I glued my mirrors onto the fishing line at random. You can glue them any way you like, any design you want, and you can make your fishing line as long as you want it or as short as you want it. When using a hot glue gun to glue these on, make sure you're very quick to put the other side of the mirror on the back. Otherwise, it could glue the wrong way and you don't want it to be crooked. If you like what you see, please subscribe or leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to share my video if you really enjoyed it. Here's the finished look of the project. I really love the way that this turned out. It is so beautiful. It looks gorgeous in my window, and every time the sun hits it, it just gleams and shines, all these little sparkles everywhere. It's a wonderful piece to add to your home, and you will enjoy making it too. These range also from about $35 to $65. I made mine for 13 bucks. Thanks for watching, and I hope that everybody has a wonderful, blessed day. Hope to see you soon. Bye!